Okay, I'm taping the first time Elsie's having peas. Here you go, Elsie. Ah. Mmm. Mmm, what's that yummy stuff? You're silly. Let's get some more. Uh-oh. Is it that bad? You want a little cereal with it this time? Get your hands down. Peas. The face is priceless. Okay, here we go. More peas. Ready? Here's the peas, everybody. Ready? Here it goes. Mm-hmm. That was one of her best faces.
That's choking that puppy out.
She doesn't like it. Have some cereal. Mmm. No. Mmm, cereal, yummy. Back to what I know and love. Are you full? You only had a couple bites of peas. Try again. Is it that interesting? Uh-oh, it's coming back up on camera.